I'm here with the LAN Scout Junior 2, I think, yeah, the Junior 2 versus the Scout Pro 3. They're both from Klein Tools, and these are very handy tools to test your cables. Now this one is for LAN, so this only tests your LAN cables, so the RJ45, just put one end there at the top and the other end in the bottom, and it works perfectly. I've tested them both on the LAN cables that I have, and they had the same results, so that's pretty cool with these two devices. Now this is very small and easy to take with you. There's a nice little display there that you can see, and this one has a little bit of a larger display. So this is more for different kinds of cables, and it has a little bit of an extra functionality too. So this is for RJ11 and 12 for video cable, coax cable, and then for the RJ45 LAN cables. Works a little bit the same. You put one end of the cable in here and the other end here at the bottom. This, of course, it's more affordable and only for LAN cables, so it has a specific use case. So I advise anyone to buy this one if they just want to test their LAN cables. So this small Junior 2, very cool. Now this one, it's a little bit easier to use. You put one end in here, but it also has this receiver. So you can take this off, and then you can also test cables that go through the wall or through your different devices here. I have one cable that goes here from my splitter or my switch right to my PS5, and then I can test this cable easily by using this on the other side where it goes through my cabinet. So I think that's very nice as well. So that's an additional advantage here of the Scout Pro 3. Then the other thing here is this can also do the other types of cables, so that's nice, and it can also test the length of your cable. So right now it says 7 feet. So you can see how long the cable is, and it does this by sending data over that cable and then sees what the response is. So, and it's accurate. So that's pretty cool as well. So those are the differences between these two, and I hope this video has helped you make your choice.